Hello, dear learners. Welcome to our fun English learning class. Do you want to speak English naturally while doing something you already do every day? Yes. Today, we will practice English while cooking your meals. No long lessons, no stress. Just simple words, sentences, and conversations you can use while chopping, stirring, and tasting your food. So grab your ingredients, your pan, and your spoon, and let us start speaking English together. Chapter 1. Cooking Vocabulary Made Easy. Welcome to our first chapter. Today, we will learn English while cooking. Cooking is fun, and it is also a great way to practice speaking English. We will start with simple words. Look around your kitchen. What do you see? You see a pan, a pot, a knife, a spoon, and a stove. Say these words aloud. Repeat them slowly. Good. Now take an onion, a tomato, and a carrot. These are ingredients. Ingredients are the things we use to make food. Now let us learn some actions. I chop the vegetables. I boil water. I stir the soup. I mix the ingredients. You can do the same. While you chop, say, I chop the onion. While you stir, say, I stir the soup slowly. It is easy, and it is very useful. Do you see the salt and the pepper? I add salt to the water. I pour oil into the pan. I cut the carrot into small pieces. Try to say these sentences while you are cooking. It will help you remember the words and actions. Remember, you are not only cooking. You are speaking English too. You are learning while doing your daily work. Every day, you can practice these words. Every day, you can speak these sentences. Soon, you will feel confident. You will use English naturally while cooking. Great job today. Keep practicing these words and actions. Tomorrow, we will learn how to give instructions in English while cooking. You will see how easy it is to speak English while you cook. Chapter 2. Simple Cooking Instructions in English. In the first chapter, we learned kitchen words and actions. Now, we will learn how to give simple cooking instructions in English. Giving instructions is very useful. You can tell someone how to cook, and you can also practice speaking. Let us start with simple sentences. I wash the rice. I heat the pan. I add oil to the pan. I stir the vegetables slowly. Can you say these sentences with me? Great. We also use the words first, then, next, and finally to tell steps. For example, first I wash the vegetables, then I cut them. Next, I boil water. Finally, I cook the food. Try to say these sentences while you cook. Now let us use questions. I can ask, do you want more salt? Or can you pass me the spoon? Asking questions is very important in daily life. It also helps you speak English naturally. You can also tell yourself what to do while cooking. Say, I cut the tomato, I mix the salad, I boil the eggs. Speaking out loud helps your memory. It also makes you confident. Remember, you are practicing English while doing your daily work. You do not need to sit and study for hours. Cooking is your classroom. Your kitchen is your school. Every action you do is a word, a sentence, or a practice. Practice these instructions every day. Practice giving steps and asking questions. Soon, you will speak English while cooking without thinking. Tomorrow, we will learn how to talk about ingredients and taste. You will learn words for flavors and sentences to describe food. Chapter 3. Talking about ingredients and taste. In Chapter 3, we will learn how to talk about ingredients and taste in English. This is very useful because food is everywhere. and describing it helps you speak naturally. Let us start with ingredients. Ingredients are the things we use to cook. I see tomatoes, onions, garlic, and carrots. I also have salt, pepper, and oil. Repeat these words with me. Good. You can also say, I have onions. I have tomatoes, I have garlic. This is simple and easy. Now let us learn words for taste. Food can be sweet, salty, sour, spicy, or bitter. I taste the soup. I say the soup is salty. I taste the dessert. I say the dessert is sweet. You can do the same. Take a small bite and describe it. Say it is sour. Say it is delicious. We also use sentences to describe food. For example, the salad is fresh. The rice is soft. The vegetables are hot. You can use is and are for simple sentences. You can also say, I like this food. I do not like this food. These sentences help you express your opinion. While cooking, you can speak about every ingredient and every taste. You can say, I cut the onion. I add salt. The soup is hot. I like it. Speaking while cooking makes English practice natural and fun. Remember, tasting your food is learning English too. Every day, you can describe ingredients and taste. Every day, you will speak more confidently. Tomorrow, we will learn how to have conversations in the kitchen. You will learn casual phrases and small talk while cooking. Chapter 4. Conversational English in the Kitchen. In Chapter 4, we will learn how to have simple conversations in English while cooking. Talking while cooking is fun, and it helps you use English naturally. Let us start with casual phrases. You can say, can you pass me the salt? Or please give me the spoon. These are polite sentences. You can also say, I like cooking pasta. Or I enjoy making salad. Speaking these sentences while cooking helps you remember them. Now let us learn small talk questions. You can ask, do you cook often? Or what is your favorite dish? You can also answer, I cook every day. Or I like making soup. Practicing questions and answers is very important. It makes your English strong and confident. While you cook, you can also describe your actions in a conversation. For example, I cut the carrot. Can you pass me the bowl? I boil the water. Do you want to taste it? Speaking sentences like this is like talking to a friend. You are practicing English without feeling stressed. We also use present continuous tense for actions happening now. For example, I am chopping onions. I am stirring the soup. I am mixing the salad. These sentences sound natural when you speak while cooking. Remember, your kitchen is your English classroom. Every action, every question, every sentence is a practice. You can speak to yourself or imagine a friend in the kitchen. Speaking daily makes English easy and natural. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Tomorrow, we will learn how to combine everything. You will speak complete sentences, give instructions, describe food, and have small conversations while cooking. You will feel confident using English in your daily life. Chapter 5. Practice, repeat, and build confidence. In Chapter 5, we will learn how to practice everything we have learned while cooking. Practice is very important. The more you speak, the more confident you become. First, let us combine words, actions, and sentences. While cooking, say, I wash the rice, I boil water. I add salt, I stir the soup slowly. The soup is hot, I like it. You are using vocabulary, actions, and taste words all together. This is real practice. Next, give instructions in English. You can say, first, I cut the vegetables. Then I heat the pan. Next, I add oil. Finally, I cook the food. Speaking instructions aloud helps you remember steps and improves your English naturally. You can also ask questions and answer. For example, do you want more salt? Yes, I want more salt. Or do you like this dish? Yes, it is delicious. Speaking questions and answers builds conversation skills. Remember to describe ingredients and taste every day. Say, I have carrots, onions, and tomatoes. The salad is fresh. The soup is spicy. I like it. Describing food while cooking makes English practice simple and fun. Finally, repeat every day. Speak out loud while cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Your kitchen is your classroom. Your cooking is your lesson. The more you practice, the more natural English becomes. Great job, learners. You have learned kitchen words, actions, instructions. Taste words, conversations, and full practice. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep enjoying English while cooking. Soon, you will speak confidently without thinking. Your English will grow naturally every day.